Everyone's out here preaching about running Instagram ads, making actual ads, and throwing cash at Facebook to sell products or gain followers, but no one's talking about spending money on simple reels. Yeah, just regular everyday reels. I tried this experiment on 2 accounts for 30 days just for you guys.
Really?
Okay, fine. Not just for you, mostly for myself, but when I saw the results, I had to share them with you. I was ready to throw in the towel, but then I stumbled across these so-called gurus talking about AI-generated cat stories. Yep, cats. Apparently, cats are internet royalty, and I was like, well, if this works,
sign me up.
So I sat down, binge-watched those gurus' videos, and started researching. Turns out I didn't even need to create the videos myself according to those gurus. Good, because let's be honest, I'm way too lazy for that. Instead, I found these videos on TikTok, downloaded them, slapped my account name on them, and uploaded them. Zero editing, pure laziness. And guess what? Still nothing, no views, no followers, so I thought, alright, time to put in some actual effort. I muted the original videos, added my own voiceovers, some sound effects, and uploaded them again. This time, I got still nothing. I wanted to bash my head against the wall. Don't worry, I didn't. Or else you wouldn't be hearing this story. I called up my friend, who, like, always immediately knew something was wrong. I spilled everything, and he was like,
Bro, why don't you use Leonardo AI? They've got this new Phoenix 1.0 style. It's amazing.
I already knew about Leonardo AI, but not this Phoenix thing. And so I rushed to my computer and started generating images. It was cool, but they charged 24 credits for 4 images, and I couldn't even switch to 1 image without a pro account. Classic. Anyway, I burned through all my free credits, made 9 more Gmail accounts, and got creative. Eventually, I caved and bought the standard plan with 4,000 credits. Why? I don't know. Maybe I thought it would make me faster, but nope. After a week of hardcore AIing, I ran out of credits again, before the plan even expired. Lesson learned, don't spend money on this. Just make multiple free accounts. Finally, I had my images. I used Pixverse to animate some, upscaled them with Unique Converter. Comment below if you want full tutorial on these two. I then edited the video in CapCut. After so much hard work, this is what I made.
Why is it always me? Why can't the others handle the creepy stuff?
Deep in the Whispering Woods lies the abyss, a portal of darkness. Whiskers, the daring explorer, must seal it before the shadows escape. The portal's guardian emerges, a monstrous boar with glowing red eyes.
Turn back, little cat, or join the void.
Whiskers dodges, throws about a pouch, and blinds the boar, forcing it into the vortex.
One down, what's next?
Earth started cracking. Whiskers falls through, landing in a dark cavern.
Whiskers. The world doesn't deserve to be saved. Let it fall into chaos.
He raised it, summoning more shadow creatures. Whiskers dodges and strikes, leaving the fox battered. In a final desperate move, Whiskers activates the pedestal.
Stay close this time. Next time, I'm picking a beach mission.
This isn't over.
Pretty cool, right?
I uploaded my masterpiece and started writing the next script. While waiting, I started a new account about sad quotes because I wanted to experiment with one more thing. I uploaded 3 to 4 reels and boosted them right away. In 6 days, I got 100 followers and thousands of views. Not bad, right? Back to the animation account. 2 days later, I checked the views. 8 views. A whole week of work for 8 views? My brain was ready to explode. But then I saw this little button. Boost your post. I'd seen it before, but never dared to try it. This time, I thought, what's the worst that could happen? So I spent $1 for 1 day. After 12 hours, boom, 2,000 views and some followers. That tiny win gave me courage and I started boosting more reels. $4 here, $6 there. I started getting 10,000, 12,000, 18,000 views per reel. But here's the kicker. I only gained 104 followers. Yeah, that's it. Everything was pretty good until this happened. When I stopped spending money, the followers and views stopped coming. As for that one, I again spent some dollars here. As for the animated channel, I stopped uploading reels. But after some days, something in my head started to convince me.
Come on, you can spend a few dollars. It's not a big deal.
No, I can't. You know that's not even my own money. It's my mother's, and if she finds out, she'll be furious.
How will she find out? Come on, you're not going to spend all her money. It's just a few bucks.
In the end, that voice won, and I started spending again. And of course, I started getting views and followers again. And that's the bitter truth. Spending money on reels is like a drug. Once you start, it's hard to stop. My reels weren't getting views unless I paid. It felt like Instagram was saying, no money, no followers. That's why I wrote addiction on thumbnail. So if you're not spending money, what should you do? Well, I'm not saying you should never boost your reels, but here are 3 tips you should follow. Tip number 1, Don't spend money until you've got at least 500 to 800 followers and really believe in your content. Now, what does believe in your content mean? Well, it means creating content you're confident has the potential to go viral. And what are those niches? I'll talk about that in the next video, so make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Tip number 2, collaborate with others in your niche. It's free and effective. And tip number 3, avoid addiction. Spending money on Reels feels good, but it's not sustainable. Well, you can spend money if you have so much that you don't know what to do with it. Otherwise, I won't recommend it. And here's a small trick if you want to boost Reels. I came up with a formula for this. Less money, more time. Now, what does that mean? It means don't spend more money in less time. Instead, spend less money over a longer period. Didn't get it? Don't worry, I'll explain. For example, if I select $2 for 1 day or $1 for 2 days, it shows me the same estimated reach for both. At first glance, there seems to be no difference, but there actually is. Select $1 for 2 days, less money, more time, and trust me, it will give you more reach and followers. It's just a small trick, but it comes with bigger benefits. And one last thing, I've also revealed the reality of InVideo V 3.0. You can check out my last video if you want to know more about it.